Lamp on.
Okay, done.
What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome to a new video. Yep, that's the Mi desk lamp first generation. Let's quickly unbox it. We have the light and then yes, a 6-watt power adapter. It has a really minimalist design, which is the most highlighting factor of this lamp. The knob is really simple. Press once to turn on or off, turn to increase or decrease brightness, hold and turn to change the color temperature. The color temperature as per the rating is 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin and a brightness of 300 lumens. Now let us see the app setup. Since this is the first generation, there isn't Apple Homekit support, so you need to install this app, which I will be leaving in the description. Setting up is really easy. First you search for the device, Mi desk lamp. Now reset the lamp. We have a reset button below. You can reset it using a safety pin or a SIM card ejector. Keep holding it until the lamp blinks. Now let us leave it here and hit next. Now connect to your Wi-Fi. Then it will take you to this Wi-Fi settings page where you need to connect to this right here. After that, go back to the app and hit next. Now wait until it connects. You can set where the lamp is placed. I'm gonna set it bedroom. It's up to you. You can even rename the lamp. I'm going to leave it as it is. And there, it is ready. Now you can control everything from here. On, off, brightness, temperature, everything. Reading mode, which sets color temperature to 100% luminance. PC mode makes the color temperature at about 2700 to reduce the blue light entering your eyes. The focus mode helps you set a timer, like for 45 minutes on and then take a break and so on. If you're looking for a premium, cheap, minimal smart light, yes, it's a really good option. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And do subscribe if you haven't already. Here are the pros and cons that I have found. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for the next one.